By the end of this tutorial, you should be able to produce a technical drawing, an orthographic view like this. We have three images: front view, top view, side view of the object you've just assembled. So to do that, you have to have created the assembled view. It has to have been saved. You should have it open in the software. You then go to File, New Drawing from Design. On the right hand side, you should see a tab appear with some options. You don't need to change them. Again, depends, you may want to, but I just keep them on these. They should create the sort of image I want, or the working drawing that I want. Click OK. It can take a bit of time to generate this image. There you go. So you can tell that's the A3 page, and this is your first view of the object. Doesn't look correct to me, so first of all I would change the scale. So let's bring the scale up to say 1 to 2. That looks better. I should be able to fit 3 views at that scale onto the one page. You can always change this scale later anyway. It's also not the right. I want to start with the main view here. All right, what's called the front view. The front view for me is the main view of the object, which shows the most detail. So I'll just click on orientation and go to top and see. Okay, that's better, but obviously it's upside down. But I can fix that. It's appeared upside down because it's been assembled upside down in relation to the work planes, which can happen. It's quite common. Even I make that mistake. So it's a good way of learning how to change it anyway. So I just click and hit enter, and that creates a line drawing of the front view. It's upside down, so what I need to do is right click on it. Right click. Right click. I'm going to modify and rotate. And simply click in the middle and a bit slow. Let's try it again. Right click, modify, rotate, click in the middle, and then just spin it around. Make sure it's straight, and that's it. Click OK. Move it down into a better position. Okay, that's the first view. Then what you want to do again is just click on the image, right click on it again until you get this menu, go to projected view. Now you're going to simply create the projected view looking onto the side of that object. Click, press enter, and do the same again for the top view. Right click, projected view, and simply move the cursor up, and you will see the top view appear. Click, press enter, and that's it. That's the 3 views you need. They're all aligned because you've projected them out from each other, so they're in the correct positions. Now what you want to do is add dimensions. Click on dimensions, roll in so you can see what you're doing. So for example, I want to put a dimension from here to the center of this, and drag it away. Don't leave dimensions in the middle of the drawing of the object. Always drag them away outside the object. Okay, so just add dimensions until you've got enough dimensions, which should help somebody understand your drawing. If you've got circles and you want radiuses, you can go down here and choose different tools like diameter dimension. Click on that. It'll drop the diameters for you of circular objects. Again, drag them away from the object as best you can. Okay. The idea is you add different dimensions to different views to help somebody else understand the object and what dimensions are each part. Usually you would produce multiple orthographics of different parts. So you would do an orthographic of this part and that part. So you have multiple drawings to help somebody else understand the whole object. All right. Once you're finished, once you've added enough dimensions, I'm not going to do it, you should have more dimensions than this. You simply output PDF, and click OK. And that should be it. It should create a PDF somewhere for you so that you save it somewhere. So give it a name, save it somewhere you know where it is, and then you can bring these files into your folder as a PDF.